What ingredients should we be aware of to repair our skin effectively and safely? The very last series to repair your skin perfectly inside and out. Hey Wish Trenders, welcome back to Wish Trend TV. It's your sister Eunice here. Now, in the last episode, we talked about how to cleanse to repair your skin barrier. Today, we will look into ingredients that are effective for repairing the skin barrier. So make sure to watch until the very end and subscribe to Wish Trend TV, like this video, and follow us on our Instagram as well. Let's get started. Round 1. Transepidermal water loss. Do you guys remember when I mentioned in the very first episode that damaged skin is prone to transepidermal water loss? To put it in a simpler way, transepidermal water loss is when the skin's internal moisture evaporates from the skin's outermost layer, or the epidermis, and into the air. There are 3 main causes of transepidermal water loss. The first one is dry climate. Transepidermal water loss happens much faster in dry climates. This is why our skin feels drier in the winter, because there is less humidity than in the summertime. You can prevent transepidermal water loss caused by dry climates by using a humidifier. The second one is not enough moisture within the skin. Did you know that dry skin, or skin that doesn't have enough moisture within the skin, is more prone to transepidermal water loss? If you have dry skin, you need to put in that extra care in moisturization. And last but not least, skin barrier damage. A damaged skin barrier is the start of so many different skin concerns and is also one of the biggest causes of transepidermal water loss. A strong skin barrier keeps the moisture inside the skin from evaporating. That's why healthy skin feels less dry compared to damaged skin. So we already talked about how to properly cleanse your face in the second episode, but what are some other ways to make damaged skin healthy again? The first thing we can do is properly moisturize our skin to accelerate repairing. And the second thing is to use ingredients that are effective for repairing. Even if you use ingredients that are good for repairing, if you aren't moisturizing your skin enough, you can prevent the internal moisture from evaporating. Now, in order to properly repair your skin, you need to moisturize and repair at the same time. Round 2. Moisturizing and repairing. So, what moisturizing and repairing ingredients should we use in order to effectively repair our skin? First, let's find out about moisturizing ingredients. First one is hyaluronic acid, probably the most commonly used humectant. Hyaluronic acid is a natural moisturizer that has a strong hydrophilic properties that can hold 1,000 times its own weight in water. Hyaluronic acid consists of larger molecules, so it sits on top of the skin, creating a hydrating cushion. Second one is glycerin, and glycerin is also an effective moisturizer, but it is much smaller than hyaluronic acid, so it can penetrate deeper into the skin, being more quick to moisturize the skin. Not only that, glycerin improves the skin's resiliency and speeds up regeneration, so it's an ingredient used in many anti-aging products. So use these 2 ingredients to properly moisturize your skin. Now, let's find out how to use these ingredients together in the next round. Next, we're going to talk about repairing ingredients. Do you guys remember about the stratum corneum we mentioned in the first episode? The skin barrier, or stratum corneum, becomes damaged when the lipid interface isn't doing its job. This lipid interface is actually made up of ceramides and fatty acids. In order to see results of skin repairing, you need to use skincare products that have these ingredients to directly provide what the damaged skin barrier has lost. So, what exactly is a ceramide? First one is ceramide. You could say that this ceramide is the most important ingredient in skin repairing. Ceramide makes up 50% of the skin's layer, so it's an ingredient that shows the most prominent difference when used on damaged skin. Second one is fatty acids. The second ingredient that is also part of your skin is fatty acid. Fatty acid includes linoleic acid, which is omega-6, and oleic acid, which is omega-9. So you could say that most oils extracted from plants falls into this category. For example, you have sunflower seed oil or almond oil. So how do we mix and match these moisturizing and repairing ingredients? Let's find out in the next round. Round 3, effective skincare routine for skin repair. We've divided products that contain moisturizing and repairing ingredients into 3 different categories: toners, serums, and creams. Look at the differences in the consistencies between toners, serums, and creams. Toner is the most watery of the 3, then serum, and then cream, which has the heaviest consistency. First one is toner. The biggest role of toner is to wipe away any dirt and impurities you have left after cleansing and to set the skin's texture. Try using the Rovectin Activating Treatment Lotion. It contains both glycerin and hyaluronic acid. Another ingredient in this product is niacinamide, which is an ingredient effective for skin repairing as it helps the skin to naturally produce ceramides. Next is serum. Serum is a high concentration skincare product that provides moisture and nutrients to the skin after toner and before you apply your cream. Now, we recommend using Rovectin Aqua Activating Serum. It has hyaluronic acid, glycerin, niacinamide, and also peptide, which helps to produce collagen, strengthening the dermis right under the epidermis. Last one is cream. The last step of moisturizing is cream, which is usually used to provide moisture and create an oil layer on top of your skin. A product we recommend is Rovectin Aqua Concentrate. Let's take a look at the ingredients. It contains all the ingredients we mentioned, from hyaluronic acid and glycerin for moisturizing, and ceramide and sunflower seed oil, which is a fatty acid for repairing. Like it says on the package, it has so many great ingredients that are effective for repairing. So give this product a try. Do you remember what I said? That in order to repair a damaged skin barrier, you should minimize your skincare steps? While minimizing the numbers of your skincare products, make sure you're using the products that have ingredients good for repairing. So try using the products we just mentioned along with the cleansing products we recommended in the second episode for 2 to 4 weeks. You'll notice that the dryness, itchiness, and acne caused by your damaged skin barrier will get better and better. For basic repairing routine, try 3 steps. You have cleanser, toner, and cream. Or on days that you feel extra dry, add a serum step. So we're gonna do 4 steps of cleanser, toner, serum, and cream. You can find all the products that we mentioned today in the Aqua Enriched Hydrating Package on wishtrend.com. So make sure to check it out if you're interested. And it also includes the low pH cleanser that we talked about in the second episode as well. So I do want to highly recommend it, so please do check it out. So through these amazing 3 episodes, we learned how to repair our damaged skin effectively and safely. It takes about 2 to 4 weeks for our skin to repair, so try using the ingredients and tips that we shared to regain your healthy skin. Thank you guys so much for watching until the very end, and we will see you in the next one. Bye, Wish Trenders!